Great day, beauties. Thank you for tuning in to Inward Beauty, where we remind beauties everywhere of how beauty starts within. To be honest with you, I don't know what I got myself into. But I have my personal trainer, who I'm not liking right now. Y'all are here for moral support, beauties. By the way, I hate gyms. Preparation is key. Beauties, I make sure I do not leave my house without food. I have everything ready from ice, smoothies, whatever it is. I'm getting ready to go over to my family's house, and I will not allow myself to be tempted by their foolishness. You will not reach your goals if you do not prepare. I made 2 smoothies the night before. I made 1 smoothie today. And I'm going to be fortified when I show up to my folks' place. Period. I bet you're wondering what's in my lunch bag. You're probably not wondering that. But I'm going to tell you anyway. That's why his nose himself couldn't look at the camera. I got fresh figs. I got some apricots. Let me see what else is in this bag. I have some kombucha that I didn't make. I have some kombucha that I didn't make. What else is in this bag? I have some grapes. And then I have a salad. So, beauties, I am ready. It's gonna get me to eat something I don't want to eat. Because I can't prepare. This is a real good one too. This right here is what I'm talking about. You're not supposed to show. You're not supposed to show your face. I'm not fooling with you.
I don't think I'm gonna go with Misha now.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
Right. Use me as an example, like, don't do this, y'all. Don't eat like my mama eat.